Yo, it's your boy Geezo back with another video, and today, ooh, oh, I hate that. Okay, there we go. One more time for you haters, man. And today, so I got a package in, man. I definitely got a package in. Hold on, guys. I should have did this part early. Fuck it. I got a package in. And I think they're a pair of kicks, man. So I'm about to open these to show you guys. Down pack right there. Right. Throw that to the side. Now you got a box like this, guys. Box like this. Took the wrap off. You got a box. It's nice and secure. I ain't gonna lie. Nice and secure package. Let's see. I mean, y'all probably already know where it's from because you guys basically seen the thumbnail, so you're probably gonna know where it's from, or maybe not. It depends on how I do the thumbnail, so I don't know. Maybe you're gonna be waiting just like I am. Ripped through the pack, man. Oh my god, got another pair of Alexander McQueen. Okay, guys, look at the box. Can you see the box? You guys see the box? I hit the shit out the box, man. Hey, it is what it is, man. So we're gonna check out the box, man. Matter of fact, we're gonna take the top off. Top is off. And here you go. This is how it looks in the inside. This is how it looks in the inside. This is how it looks in the inside. So you have a card. Let's see what you have a card. Alexander McQueen. I don't know if we've seen the first one, the first unboxing, but we can go back to it and see what, you know what I mean? See how it is. But that's that little booklet that you get. I'm not going to read what's in the booklet. Definitely not going to read that. We'll put that to the side as well. You also have your Alexander McQueen dust bag to hold your shoes in. Ooh, that's nice. It's nice. We also have the information they want to tell us for me to read. Shouts out to them, though, man. Shouts out to them, man. Shouts out to them, man. So here we go. That's what it looked like. A pair of shoestrings come with it as well. Shoestrings come with it as well. But that's what it looks like right there. So now we're gonna open them. Gonna open them. Open them. Nice wrapping. It's a nice wrapping. And boy, oh boy. And boy, oh boy. They come in a shoe. I say come in the shoe. Come in the plastic like this. This is crazy, guys. This is definitely crazy. I like these. Ooh, oh, wrong way. You see it say McQueen on there? These are nice, man. Like how the lettering is. Y'all see that? See the bottom of the shoe? Got the... Let me take the stuffing out. I ain't want to take the stuffing out, but I'm going to take it out. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. It got the right in the shoe. Man. Squeeze test. Good squeeze test. Great squeeze test. Nothing happens. Bottom of the shoe again, guys. The design of the shoe. Y'all can see. Yeah, these are nice shoes, guys. Y'all heard that? Nice pair of shoes. Nice sole. I like those. I like these. And we're gonna... But these are nice, guys. I really like it. Oh, the back of the shoe. Can you guys see that? I don't know if y'all can see. Let me see. I don't think y'all can see that. Well, it says Alexander McQueen on the back. Has it on the bottom of the shoe as well. I don't know if you can see that. Let me focus on it. Can y'all see it? I don't know. It might have took a picture. Maybe it took a picture, maybe it didn't. But these are nice. It feels nice. Nice, I don't know if this is leather or not. What is this? I don't know, but it's a nice smooth shoe. Top tier to me. Top tier to me. And this is, again, this is bkicks.ru. Again, this is bkicks.ru. I'm going to put it right there. bkicks.ru. You know what I mean? These guys have great quality sneakers. Sheesh. Like, these things are detailed. Look, if y'all can see it, look how the splash, like the splash right there on the writing is crazy. Like, these things are really detailed. These are precise, on point, straight from the factory. Straight from the factory, guys. Again, Alexander McQueen on the tongue. And now you can't see too much light right there. Let me see. Can I block the light? Can I block the light? Yeah, there you go. Y'all can see it now. But yeah, man, this is nice. So again, I give this a 10 out of 10. I suggest you go scroll through, find something that you would like. I suggest you scroll through, find something you would like. You know what I mean? And you get $10 off when you use code Geezo, man. $10 off when you use code Geezo. Just use it. Just use it. Code Geezo. Just use it. Don't think about it. Use code Geezo. Tell them I sent you. You know what I mean? Say, hey, that's how you tell them. Like, use code Geezo. You be like, you type it in. That's it, man. Shouts out to y'all, man. Peace.